An investigation has launched after a man was found dead at Sizzla's Judgement yard in Augustown. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man said to be the bodyguard of reggae iconic act Sizzla was shot dead in Judgement Yard in Augustown, St. Andrew on Sunday night. Up to the publication of this report, the man, who is also a recording artist who goes by the name Culture, was still unidentified. Efforts to get in contact with the recording artist has been proven futile. Police told reporters that they were called to Judgement Yard, which is one of the residences of the dancehall recording superstar Sizzla Kalonji, where the body of a man was seen. It was later removed to the morgue pending post-mortem examination. The St. Andrew police say that they are unable to confirm if the man was the bodyguard of Sizzla Kalonji. At least 11 spent shells were found at the scene of the shooting, the police said in a statement. The police said that several efforts to contact Sizzla, who was not at Judgement Yard, have not borne any fruit as the number rings without an answer. The police have not yet established a motive for this latest shooting incident. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.